Hello everyone. This is regarding formatting your document before submitting it. It is very important that our report, whatever the report we write, is in APA 7 format. So basic thing is right click on heading section H1, modify it to Times New Roman 12 size, center it and make it bold. These sections should be selected and color should be in black. Just click OK. That is the first one. And second thing is formatting header 2. Similarly, you just right click on header 2 in styles, click on it, select bold, font is again 12 size, Times New Roman, and make this justified alignment, and make sure that you have selected black color. This is formatting for heading 2. So we mostly don't use heading 3, but when you use it na heading 3, you should also modify it. Just modify it to Times New Roman 12 bold and italic. It should be bold and italic, and it is again justified mode or left aligned. Anything you can use. It is okay if you use justified mode. It should be bold and italic both, and make sure that the color selected is black again. Alright. These three are heading related formats that should be followed. Next one is, you will have a title page for any task. If it is a discussion, you will name it discussion, and if it is any case study, you should name the case study name, give the case study name in the first sheet. Like this, we should prepare a title sheet, DMV case study. For this case study, the name is DMV case study, and the title should be in H1 format. So never use this kind of coloring, you don't need that. So title page, and below that just give date. So whenever we are submitting, we write our date there. Just leave it and go to next page. Here the title of the document should be written in the first line. Then you continue with your sections and continue writing content for different sections. So this is a main formatting. The key title of the document and the document content should start with same name. Both should start with same name. If it is DMV case study, here the content should start with DMV case study. Then we will be having different sections. Make sure that you don't use different colors. Keep it plain, and it will be easy for us to read. Need not to worry about highlighting things. Okay, so usually we use colors to highlight things, but it is not required here. Next important thing is inserting page numbers. So you are supposed to insert a page number at top of the page, and you can use either plain top or you can use ascent bar. You can choose any one of these two things. So I am using ascent bar. Not required, I am using plain number. Every time you use plain number, that is fine. Just click it. This is how it should be, page number and your content. Every page, it is very important that to keep page numbers. Next, you are supposed to use all the headings that are recommended to use. Here this person has used properly all the headings, so it's fine. Now I am selecting the main one. If you consider this as a main heading, just select H1. It automatically gets formatted. If it is H2, I am considering it as a H2. I am just giving it here. I am removing the color. I don't want this color, so no color. No reference is added here, so we have to add a reference. So to add reference, already I gave a video play session to you in which I told you how to add a reference. So now I will try to create a reference here. The PDF that is given to you is a report. This is not a journal article. If it is a journal article, usually we see journal article names in the first page on the top or at the bottom. Okay, so we don't have anything like that by name journal. We don't see anything, so we consider this as a report that is given, a case study that is given, case study report. Now we try to add names. We can see that Robert M. Hertzberg is the name of the author. As we don't see author name, we consider him as author. Robert Hertzberg. Next, the title of the article, title of the report. Next, it is year. Year we can see here 2015. Then publisher is California State Senate. Here we can see the city name here, Sacramento, Sacramento. Sacramento. I added that reference. So we should usually add whenever, like inside the document, wherever we use some content related to it, we will be adding it. But here it is a summary of the article that is given, so it is okay if you add just reference at the bottom. So this is the reference that we have used. Okay, this should be APA 6th edition. You can see everything properly done. We have publisher name, California State Senate. We have title name, we have author name, we have year, everything. So this document is properly formatted. I see that most of you people were using Indian language here. Just change it to United States, because we are submitting all these documents to United States. Now go to editing option and cross check the spellings. So because this person used Indian English, these all are showing as spelling errors. So we will be correcting it. Make sure that you review for grammar before submitting every time. Otherwise, it consists of several mistakes. Mostly if you see, it is because the person wrote it from India. Mostly we see these spelling mistakes. So let me correct all the spelling mistakes. Now let us check for grammar. Grammar cross checks punctuations and full stops, commas, remaining related punctuation related things. Now the document is properly formatted. You see, like it is taking 10 minutes for me to set all the things, which is a waste of time. Usually when you are doing it, if you properly format your document and send me, it saves a lot of time for us. Okay, so please make sure that you format your document before sending, and you share a proper document with us. Thank you, team.